So if you're glued to your phone, let us make money using that device. Hey, so you're probably searching the internet right now on different ways to make money from home. Well, that's what today's video is all about. I'm going to share with you 3 ways that you can make money from your mobile device, a device that you're already on anyways. So with the holidays coming, we all need that extra cash, right? But with these 3 tips, you can earn money all year round. So if you want to learn more, then keep on watching. Welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Sylvia and I'm an online marketing strategist. And in this channel, I help beginners make money online through affiliate marketing. And I'm back in here with another video on how to earn money using a device that you're already on. Now, feel free to use any device, of course. Now, before we begin, I want to tell you a little story of how I was inspired to create this video. Well, I was at McDonald's not that long ago and with my grandkids in the playground. And while they played, I was on the phone, making money. And I looked up and I noticed that a lot of different people were on their phone. And I thought to myself, I wonder if they knew or if they know that they can actually earn money while, watching their kids play. And so then I decided to create this video. Now stay to the end because I'm going to share my screen with you and show you a platform that I use to earn cash. And if you like videos with no fluff and straight to the point, then hit that notification bell so that you can get notified of when I upload new content every Thursday. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you know anyone trying to make extra cash or a stay-at-home parent, then make sure you share this video with them. So let's dive right into tip number 1, and that is a virtual assistant, also known as a VA. Now, there's a lot of businesses out there that hire someone to do their social media management, to do ghostwriting or guest blog posts. There is a ton of things that VAs can do from the comfort of their home. Just go on Google and Google VA or virtual assistant, and you're going to see the tons of things that they do, and you probably fall under one of these categories. So let me ask you, can you reply to a comment on a social media platform? If so, then you could probably do social media management. Okay, so if you want to skill up in social media management, what you do is you go to a website called Udemy.com. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, but it's UDEMY.com. And then you want to go in here and type social media management, and you'll get all the different titles that you can look for. And so you go to social media management, and here's some of the courses starting at just $9.99 with ratings above 4 points. So these are all the different courses that are offered here on social media management. So all you have to do is just kind of go do a little research before you join them. You can also open them up and see how the course is laid out. And so you get a description of what the requirements are even before you even start the program, and a little bit about, the program and the person offering it. Or go check out the reviews, and then they give you a preview as well. So you can also go check out the person giving the presentation or presenting the course. And if you scroll all the way to the top over to the left hand side where it says categories, here are all the different categories for different types of niches that you can skill up. So that link is down below if you want to check them out. They're very inexpensive and you can sharpen your skills on pretty much any area. Now remember, there's a ton of things that VAs can do, making this a super easy job from home. And tip number 2 is a resale business. And you can do this by going to thrift stores and purchasing gently used items and selling them on the internet, such as you can take pictures of them and upload them to like Facebook Market, eBay, for example. There's a lot of different platforms that you can upload to. Now, some of these platforms do charge you a fee when you use their services. So, make sure to look that up before you start selling online. And another way that you can do it is like a Shopify store. So, for example, if you don't want to pay the Shopify prices that they charge you on a monthly basis, I believe their starter plan starts at like $29. You can always build you a similar Shopify store on the internet by utilizing WordPress. So in that way, you don't have to pay on a monthly basis, and all you would pay is your hosting. Now, drop me a comment below. Share with the community, what do you do to make extra income if you use your phone? And the third tip is a platform called Earnably. And in this platform, you're going to find a ton of different ways that you can make money. So let me give you an example before we head over to the platform. If you're already watching videos on YouTube, now with this platform, you are able to watch those videos and earn cash at the same time.
You'll also earn cash through surveys, your opinion, and much more. Now, every time that you complete a task with Earnably or refer a friend, you will earn points. These points are then redeemed for cash and they are deposited into your PayPal account. So to earn through Earnably, you will have to have an active PayPal account in order to redeem the points for cash. Now, before we head over to the Earnably training, let me give you some tips because you don't want to get booted before you even start. This is an awesome place to make money, so you definitely don't want to get the boot. And tip number one is please answer honestly. And the reason why, it's because they're going to know that you're just answering to answer. Trust me, they are going to give you questions and then later on you're going to see that question in a different way. And if you're constantly answering incorrectly and or just putting anything in there, they're going to know and they're going to give you the boot, and you may not even be able to redeem whatever it is that you've earned so far.
Okay, so the platform is earnably.com, and this is where you're going to be earning points to redeem for cash. And you'll have to do a two-step verification for your phone and for your laptop. So if you want to use a desktop or laptop, you'll have to do a two-step verification for the both. So once you've done that, you're going to it's going to take you through a series of questions so that they can pair you up with surveys that are kind of relevant to your answers. So once you've done that, then if you head over to the right hand side, this little drop down, this is where you'll find all of your activity that you've been doing. I redeem points on a monthly basis, so I don't redeem on a daily. I like to accrue mine, so you can do it however you want. You can accrue bi-weekly, weekly, or monthly. So I do mine monthly. And so this is where you're going to find all your activity that you've been doing. And then you're going to find rewards. Then you're going to find referrals. So referral, if you refer a friend, you'll get points for referring a friend. So you can grab your refer a friend URL link from here or from up here. Right in here, you can invite from there. It's going to take you to the same page. And if you scroll down, you're going to see the referral rules, and you're also going to see how much you're going to be making if you refer a friend. And here is your referral link towards the bottom. And if you click this little guy here, you're going to be able to copy that link onto wherever it is that you're promoting. Always remembering not to be spammy. You'll want to promote with strategy. So for example, give a small training or small demonstration on how to use it and then provide your link. So remember not to be spammy. And so once you've copied it, then you can put it wherever it is that you are promoting. Now here they provide you with promotional banners. So if you want to put it on your website, they will provide you with that HTML code or that JavaScript if you need it. And also right below referrals, you'll find devices, and these are the devices that you have been approved for to work on. So here is my Android, which is my phone, and my laptop. And right below it, you'll find your account details. This is where you're going to be pairing up your PayPal account so that you can redeem your points for cash, and any information that you want to change, like your home address, phone number, email, anything that you need to update. That's where you're going to be doing it. And right up here, you're going to find your help. If you are stuck anywhere, you need help from Earnably. This is again where you're going to get your referral. You're going to redeem your points for cash, and here is where you're going to spend a lot of time. This is where you're going to be working. So I do a lot of their surveys. The way that I schedule mine is I do every other day. I schedule 1 hour on daily surveys and take a break, and then I do an hour on videos, and that's basically how I stack up my points. And so on surveys, these are all the different vendors that they're paired up with. So you just basically click one and they'll ask you a series of questions, always remembering to answer honestly. And because they will ask you that same question in a different way. So you always want to make sure you answer to the best of your knowledge. If you're tired or if you don't have the time to do it, don't do it, because you will be basically answering just to answer, and you don't want to do that. This is a great platform to earn money. If you're new to making money online, this is a great platform, so don't mess it up. And so over here, because they will give you the boot, and so again, once you've picked your survey, then they'll put you through a series of different surveys that you can pick. Each one will have different points. You can pick one that kind of stands out to you. And then down below it, then here's your videos, and these are the vendors that they're associated with. And once you click on it and open it, then you can kind of, go through, see the different videos that they offer. And once you watch that video, then you'll start to earn points. Okay, here's the other one. And these are all the different categories that you can, sign up for and start watching some videos, something that, you might, enjoy as well, and start earning at the same time. So this is how you basically work with Earnably and earn points and redeem as you go, or redeem on a bi-weekly basis, or redeem every month the way that I do.
Now, so far, if you like what you see and you want to start earning cash through them, I'd really appreciate it if you use the link from the description box to set up your free account. Again, thanks for watching. My name is Sylvia with SylviaCbriones.com. Until next time.